How to install CitiManager Corporate Cards app. So yeah, just tap Get, and then you will be able to install it. Use double click to install it. And this is like mobile app for anytime, anywhere access to Citi commercial cards management tool. CitiManager app for Citi commercial cards enables you to use your iPhone or iPad access key account data on the go for your corporate card. Within the app, you can view your statement information, balances, available credit. Yeah, so all stuff like that. You can view all account summaries, view previous account statements, view current accounts, view recent transactions, view payment history, all of the things. So just tap to open the app, and then yeah, you usually you just need to already log in to this app, so you need to have an account already. And then yeah, here you can just add your card and add card registration, get credit card number, add security code, and then you can just proceed from here. Also, you can just tap to activate new card here. So yeah, that's basically the idea here. That's how you can get started with this app. Yeah, sometimes banking seems that it's like, it's it's only desktop. You need to carry on your computer with you and all of that, but actually you can do a lot of operations right on your phone. It's pretty easy, so yeah, try it out.